चैनल।
जम्मू कश्मीर लद्दाख हिमाचल में एक बार फिर न्यूज़ 18 सुर्खियों में है। लोगों ने एक बार फिर न्यूज़ 18 जम्मू कश्मीर लद्दाख हिमाचल पर अपने एतमाद का इजहार किया है। न्यूज़ 18 जम्मू कश्मीर लद्दाख और हिमाचल एक बार फिर सबको पीछे छोड़कर नंबर 1 चैनल बना हुआ है। इससे साबित होता है कि नाजरीन हम पर एतमाद करते हैं और न्यूज़ 18 इस एतमाद के लिए आपका शुक्रिया अदा करता है। भारत जोड़ो यात्रा पर राहुल गांधी ने प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस की। राहुल गांधी ने कहा कि यात्रा के दौरान काफी ज्यादा भीड़ उमड़ आई थी। सिक्योरिटी को मद्देनजर रखते हुए यात्रा को रोकना पड़ा। मैं अपने सिक्योरिटी अहदेदारों की तजवीज के खिलाफ नहीं जा सकता। भीड़ को कंट्रोल करना इंतजामिया की जिम्मेदारी है। राहुल ने कहा कि यात्रा जारी रहेगी।
आज काफी बड़ा रिसेप्शन यात्रा के शुरुआत में हुआ। टनल के बाद जो पुलिस अरेंजमेंट था वो बिल्कुल कोलैप्स कर गया और जो पुलिस वाले क्राउड को कंट्रोल करते हैं, रस्सियों को मैनेज करते हैं, वो या चले गए या दिखे नहीं। तो मेरी जो सिक्योरिटी डिटेल थी उन्होंने हमें कहा कि हमें आगे नहीं चलना चाहिए, इसलिए हम नहीं चल पाए। एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन की जिम्मेदारी है कि जो क्राउड कंट्रोल होता है, पुलिस का जो रोल होता है उसको गारंटी करें। मुझे मालूम नहीं क्यों हुआ, बट कल और परसों ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए। थैंक यू। शुक्रिया राहुल जी।
जम्मू कश्मीर हुकूमत के होम सेक्रेटरी आर.के. गोयल ने मीडिया से खिताब किया। भारत जोड़ो यात्रा कंट्रोवर्सी पर जम्मू कश्मीर की सरकार ने जवाब दिया है।
Concerns relating to the security arrangements for Bharat Jodo Yatra were highlighted today in a press conference in Kashmir. This has been taken note of with all the seriousness that it deserves. As per the agreed arrangements between the police and the organizers of Bharat Jodo Yatra, only the identified crowd duly frisked were allowed to be the part of the core of the yatra. It has been learned that contrary to the arrangements worked out between the organizers and the security establishment, a large portion of the crowd from the Banihal side who were supposed to have returned to Banihal rushed to the Kashmir side. Needless to say, security-related resources were deployed, visualizing the size of the anticipated crowd after discussions with the organizers. As per the organizers and the practice followed during the yatra so far in J&K, there are two components of the yatra. A, participants permanently traveling with Shri Rahul Gandhi ji, and then the other is local component which becomes the part of the yatra on different days in different stretches. What I want to mention is that the participants of the previous sector usually do not join the participants of the succeeding stretch. In this particular case, the organizers themselves had neither anticipated nor planned the Banihal crowd to join the Kashmiri stretch. The size of the crowd, because of this spillover, became larger than planned. That led to the pressure on the available security resources, which may have created an impression as if security arrangements were not in place. However, I have just ascertained that 15 companies of paramilitary forces and 10 companies of J&K police were in deployment as we speak. It comprises road opening parties for 12-kilometer long stretch of today's Yatra from Uzuru to Vesu. Further, the positioning of security personnel on 39 laterals, that is feeder roads connecting the Yatra route, and 40 high-rises being covered with appropriate weaponry. I have been told that during over 200-kilometer long road stretches between Lakhanpur to Banihal through several districts, that is Kathua, Samba, Jammu, Udhampur and Ramban, spread over 6 days, it had been secured by deploying a combination of CRPF and J&K police to cover the route, the places of stay and the venues where the public addresses had been planned. A comprehensive deployment plan had been drawn wherein individual police officers by name have been assigned to various parts of the work in topical sense as well as in terms of points and places of duty, dividing the route into zones, subzones, etc. Additionally, plainclothesmen from security wing of the J&K police continue to remain involved at places of stay and to ensure anti-sabotage checks and access control to the extent possible in a very challenging and special event like this. The government is acutely mindful of the security concerns, nevertheless, and all arrangements have been made to ensure the best possible security for the ongoing Bharat Jodo Yatra.
राहुल गांधी के इल्जामात पर जेके पुलिस ने भी